Unlock the future of finance by securing your first Bitcoin with a digital wallet. Let's dive into creating your secure Bitcoin digital wallet, a crucial first step for any crypto beginner. First, we need to understand the different types. Hardware wallets are like a physical vault for your Bitcoin, keeping your private keys offline and offering the highest security. Software wallets, on the other hand, are apps or programs you install on your computer or smartphone, offering convenience for everyday transactions. For maximum security, we highly recommend a hardware wallet. Choose a reputable brand and purchase directly from their official website to avoid counterfeit devices. Once you receive it, your setup process will involve following the manufacturer's instructions precisely, typically involving creating a strong PIN and, crucially, backing up your recovery seed phrase. If you're opting for a software wallet, let's look at a common mobile app first. Download a trusted wallet app from your device's official app store. Search for well-regarded options with good reviews. Upon launching the app, you'll likely be prompted to create a new wallet. The absolute most important step here is to write down your recovery seed phrase. This is your master key. A list of 12, 18, or 24 words. Treat this phrase like the deed to your house. Write it down clearly on paper. Never store it digitally on your computer or phone, and keep it in multiple secure, offline locations. This phrase is the only way to recover your Bitcoin if you lose access to your wallet. Once your wallet is set up and your seed phrase is safely backed up, you'll see your wallet address. This is like your bank account number where others can send you Bitcoin. Always double-check the address you are sending from and to, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Congratulations! You've taken a vital step towards managing your own Bitcoin. Remember, security is paramount. Stick to trusted platforms, protect your recovery phrase like gold, and you'll be well on your way to navigating the world of cryptocurrency safely.